In an era characterized by rapid economic growth, the acknowledgement of environmental repercussions propels industries towards the pursuit of eco-friendly alternatives, especially in the power sector, which is a critical pillar of the economy. Being a responsible petroleum specialty manufacturer for more than 6 decades, Savita Oil Technologies introduces bioTRANSOL, a disruptive solution integrating technical excellence with environmental consciousness. Indigenously developed, bioTRANSOL stands as a natural ester-based dielectric transformer fluid, which is tested at esteemed global laboratories and certified by renowned organizations for its eco-friendliness. Within our in-house ester production plant, we uphold the highest standards of quality control and assurance in its class. We are the only Indian company with a domestic facility for the production of both natural and synthetic esters. bioTRANSOL is classified under K class and ensures fire safety. It reduces degradation of insulation paper from prolonged heat and moisture. This leads to transformer longevity and operational efficiency. The transformer can be safely overloaded by 30% above its rated MVA while using bioTRANSOL, all without compromising its lifespan. Additionally, bioTRANSOL reduces maintenance costs by preventing sludge formation. It is compatible with all transformer components. True to its name, bioTRANSOL is readily biodegradable, showing superior rate of biodegradability among the industry. bioTRANSOL aligns seamlessly with the Sustainable Development Goals outlined by the United Nations. The LCA study shows it has much lesser greenhouse gas emission throughout its life cycle, making it an ideal solution for combating environmental challenges. Savita Oil Technologies achieved a noteworthy milestone by supplying bioTRANSOL for India's first 100 MVA power transformer at GEOCHEM. Furthermore, bioTRANSOL has already scripted a legacy by supplying to India's first largest project with natural ester-filled power transformers at GEOCHEM. We export bioTRANSOL to various countries across the globe. bioTRANSOL's widespread supply extends to diverse applications and industries, spanning petrochemical, airports, data centers, high-altitude rail projects, floating solar projects, green buildings and renewable energy projects, as well as compact substations. Significantly, major private power companies prefer bioTRANSOL as their choice for transformer fluid, solidifying its reputation as a trusted solution. Savita is the first global company to manufacture and market all the categories of dielectric fluids, that is, mineral oils and ester fluids. Embrace bioTRANSOL as the safe, efficient and eco-friendly alternate.